Hello everyone. Here I'm going to go ahead and show you how to use this website MoneyZine. If you've gotten to this part of the assignment, you will have should have completed up to slide 13. And so here we're going to go ahead and use this website, which has been designed to calculate the depreciation of a car. And so we're going to go ahead and use this website. First off, I know, as I have seen in the rest of the lesson, that 0 years, that no time has come past. So my value of the car would be the purchase price of the car that I would have received from my teacher. So I am going to use 19,000 again, like I did earlier, and as a demo. And now I need to find out how much after 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years using this website as a calculator. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in. This is again as a link, so I'm going to click on it, follow the link. It takes me over here, which as you can see is a car depreciation calculator. This calculator automatically puts in 25,000 here. And so you want to go ahead, I'm going to put in the 19,000. That is my purchase price of the car. And we're going to go ahead, this current age of the car we're thinking about in the future. So right now the age of the car would be 0. And then the time the vehicle is owned, we already have done x equals 0. So we're going to do x equals 1 year. So you're going to go ahead and change this to a 1. And down here it has a calculate, so you press calculate. So this tells us the final age of the car is 1. And these are the low rate of depreciation, average rate of depreciation, high rate of depreciation. We're just going to go ahead and use the average. So this total depreciation is what we're looking at each time. Now this is the amount taken off or subtracted from this amount here. This is not the final amount, so there's one thing that you will need to do on a separate piece of paper. So on a separate piece of paper, I'm going to take 19,000 and I'm going to subtract 4,370. Or using a calculator, I go ahead and I subtract that. And I find that to be, if I do that work, that's going to go ahead and be 14,630 if I subtract this amount. So this is what you are subtracting from the original amount of the car. And that subtraction, the 14,630, is what I go ahead and put for my Y value. So that was 14,630. And then we go ahead and go back to the calculator. We go ahead and do year 2. So back to my calculator, I change this to a 2, hit calculate, and as you can see, the total depreciation of the car again changed. Again, this is what you are going to subtract from 19,000. So on a separate piece of paper, using a calculator, I go ahead and do 19,000 minus 6,565, which I calculate to be 12,435. So I go back to here and I do 12,435 is the amount that the car is going to be after 2 years. And then I continue to do it for 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, and so forth. And that is how you use MoneyZine.